I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study programming for beginners. First, select a single programming language such as Python or JavaScript to focus your initial efforts. Begin by grasping core concepts like data types, variables, conditional statements, and loops. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to coding practice. Consistent, focused effort on foundational elements will build a strong base for more complex topics. Remember, patience is key in this exciting journey. Once you understand the basics, immediately start building projects. This hands-on approach solidifies your knowledge far more effectively than just reading. Begin with straightforward applications, perhaps a simple command line game or a basic web page. As you progress, tackle slightly more complex challenges. Breaking down a large project into 5 to 10 smaller, achievable steps makes the process less daunting and more rewarding. Don't hesitate to leverage the vast resources available. Online communities like Stack Overflow or Reddit's programming subreddits offer invaluable support and answers to common questions. Explore free online courses from platforms like FreeCodeCamp or Coursera. Collaborating with one or two fellow beginners on a small project can also accelerate your learning, providing different perspectives and problem-solving approaches. Programming is a journey of continuous learning. Mastering debugging is crucial. Spend at least 1/4 of your practice time understanding error messages and fixing bugs. Regularly review your own code to find areas for improvement and refactoring. The tech landscape evolves rapidly, so dedicate a few hours each week to exploring new tools, frameworks, or programming paradigms to keep your skills sharp and relevant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.